In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume using templates in Canva. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can go from a blank screen to a polished resume in just a few minutes. Start on your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, with your recent designs and a menu on the left. From here, click Templates on the left panel. Templates are professionally designed layouts that you can personalize, and they save a lot of time by handling the structure and visual style for you. Once the templates page opens, use the search bar at the top and type resume. You'll see a wide range of styles, from clean and minimalist to bold and creative. Take a moment to browse and preview the ones that match your field and personality. Look for a layout that fits the amount of information you have. If you're early in your career, choose something with strong skills and summary areas. If you have more experience, pick a template that highlights your work history clearly. When you find a design you like, click it to open the details, then click Customize this template. This brings the template into the editor where you can change anything you see: text, colors, fonts, and images. Begin by replacing the placeholder headings and text with your own information. Update your name, job title, and a short, focused summary that explains what you do and what you're great at. Add your contact details and relevant links only if you want them shown. Fill in your experience, education, skills, and any certifications. Keep descriptions concise and outcomes focused, using strong verbs and simple phrases that are easy to scan. Make the design your own while keeping it readable. If you change fonts, stick to 2 complementary styles. For colors, choose one accent color that supports your personal brand and keep the rest neutral. If the template includes an image area, only add a professional headshot if it's appropriate for your industry. Use alignment tools to keep everything tidy and adjust spacing so sections feel balanced. If a section isn't relevant, select it and delete it. If you need another, duplicate an existing text block and rename it, so the style stays consistent. Zoom out to see the overall look and proofread carefully for spelling, grammar, and consistent formatting, and that's it. By starting from the main dashboard, opening templates, searching for resume, choosing a style you like, and clicking Customize this template, you can quickly build a clean, compelling resume that's ready to share.